Good morning. Welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video here on the Sam Cooks Kindness YouTube channel. I'm Sam and I'm so happy that you are here. I'm getting ready to take my kiddos to the bus and go for my morning walk with my weighted vest in the freezing cold. And I'm not excited as usual, but I have my hot coffee, which smells so good, and I can't wait to take the first sip, but it's too hot right now. And I also prepped my breakfast as usual. I have a cherry berry blend of fruit over my chocolate cauliflower oats today, and I just warmed them up for about 4 minutes. The berries tend to need extra microwaving. For some reason, they just take a long time to like thaw out and cook. So when I get back, I'll pop this back in for probably another 3 to 4 minutes again, and then dig in. Years ago, I used to use charity miles for my walking and running, and I totally forgot about it until just recently I saw it pop up on somebody's story or something, and I'm very happy to learn that still exists. So now on my morning walks, I am making sure I log into charity miles so that I can put my miles to good use. So if you don't have that app and you are a walker, highly recommend. I don't know how much they donate, but they donate some money towards however many miles you put in towards a charity of your choice, and I think that's pretty cool, so might as well. While my oats are warming up again, I just wanted to do a little win time. It's really important to celebrate wins when you are on a health journey. It can feel very hard and tiresome, so it's important to celebrate wins, even if they're small, and sometimes it's hard to do. Sometimes you just feel like you don't have any win, but the important thing is to actually find something. So if you're new here, I've lost 72 pounds following a vegan, mostly whole food plant-based, but realistic diet. I still have some processed things here and there. I really try to make how I eat as realistic for me as possible so that it doesn't feel like I'm dieting. And it doesn't. It doesn't feel like I'm dieting at this point in my journey. I just make little changes to try to tweak things and continue along on my health journey and hopefully seeing the scale move. So part of this has been stepping on the scale every single day and celebrating wins even when I don't want to. So today is kind of one of those days where I just don't feel like I have wins to celebrate. So I forced myself to think of a few things that I can celebrate that have gone right, even in a little way. Oats are ready. Okay, so the win that I was going to share that I'm celebrating today is that I get very hungry the couple days before my period. Sorry if period talk bothers you, but it's part of life. So I get super hungry. I get a little grouchy and moody. I get headaches for those couple days beforehand. And usually, since I know this happens, I try to set myself up so that I know my portions should be a little bit bigger. I should be including a little bit more fat in there to help me really feel satisfied and fueled and to try to combat those cravings. But this 2 days ago, those cravings hit, and usually they hit in the form of bread cravings, and they did, as usual. And I ended up eating a lot of bread. I had a bagel with cream cheese. Later on, I had a little bit of toast. But the win here is that I did not let me spiral. In that moment, I felt those thoughts coming back in, thinking, I already messed up. I might as well just, keep on going. And I ate some things that I wasn't happy with, but the win is that I acknowledged the fact that I wanted to just keep on binging on bread, but I was able to stop myself and remember that this is an ongoing journey. I didn't fail. I didn't mess up my whole entire 73 pounds of weight loss just by having some bread that I was craving in that moment. And I was able to continue on with my day. This was midday even. Usually it's at night, but this was midday. I continued on with my day. I ate my normal dinner. I didn't try to restrict because I ate the bread. I just ate my normal portions. I ate my normal meals and I moved on. So the win is I didn't spiral in that moment and I just continued on because it's a continuous journey and there is no end. There is no beginning. There is no restarting Monday. And I was able to really actually acknowledge the feelings that I was feeling, take a breath, think about it, and just move forward. So that is my win. Share your win down in the comment. I don't care how little it is. I don't care if you feel like you don't have a win. Make one up. It could be as small as I took my dog around the block, like anything. I ate some vegetables. I tried cauliflower in my oats. I'm so excited for those of you that are commenting and telling me that you have tried cauliflower oats. That makes me so happy. I feel like we're joining like a little, not a cult, cauliflower cult. No, but I feel like we're on a team. Team cauliflower oats. Woo, go. Okay, enough rambling. I'm gonna dig in. Prepping lunch, and I am in the mood for my zucchini hash browns. It's a breakfast that I used to eat a lot for a really, really long time, and I haven't had it in a while, and I just got a craving for it. So I'm throwing some zucchini into the air fryer along with a bell pepper, probably a little bit of onion, and I'm gonna just let that cook up probably about like 8-ish minutes until it's just starting to get soft. And then I'm gonna top it off with a bag of frozen oil-free hash browns, not the whole bag, obviously, but however much I want of it, probably like a third of the bag or something like that in there. And I'm just gonna air fry it until it looks crispy and delicious. Stop to pay the puppy tax. There you go. Zucchini is soft. I just threw in the peppers, and I'm just gonna top this right off with the shredded potatoes. So this is the first time I'm trying these ones. They came from Walmart. There's no oil in them. I usually buy the ones from Aldi, but I was doing a Walmart pickup, so I got these. So let's see how they are. And I literally just dumped this on top. That looks about good. They do cook down, so it looks like a lot to start, but then once you cook it, you're like, where did all my potatoes go? So I'm gonna air fry this until everything looks crispy and delicious. Probably pop it at like 390, maybe 400, and we'll start around like 12 to 15 minutes and see how that looks. So I worked on filming a Christmas cookie video today, and I made 3 different types of Christmas cookies. I haven't tried them yet, but I will be trying them very soon, and I'm gonna make myself a nice hot cup of coffee, and I'm gonna have one of each of these cookies to taste test and enjoy. I'm very much looking forward to them. They're all vegan, oil-free, dairy-free, all the things. There's a chocolate chip that has tahini in it, so that one's a little bit more indulgent, but they're all basically whole food plant-based for the most part, and they're good options to have for holiday cookie days. My potatoes and veggies are all air fried up and nice and crispy. I'm just gonna dump this right onto a plate. So I have a nice full plate here of veggies and potatoes. I'm gonna top this off with some Frank's and ketchup and a little bit of homemade hummus to just round it all out and make it delicious. And that is my complete lunch. I didn't put any spices, salt, pepper, any of that on top of it because I knew I was adding these condiments and they have a good amount of salt in them. So I didn't add any extra as I was cooking. So the crew's about to get home from school and work. And so I just want to check in case I'm not able to chat too much for the rest of the day. We are going out tonight to a brewery with some of my family to meet up and visit, and I'm very excited, but I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be eating yet tonight. I'm probably going to pack some potatoes with me. I have some Hawaiian sweet potatoes in my freezer. I think I'll defrost some of those to bring as backup food. There is going to be a Mexican food truck there. I don't think I'll get anything from them. I doubt that there's anything vegan to begin with, so we'll see. I'm just kind of gonna play it by ear. I am not feeling my best this afternoon, and so I am not doing a great job of planning ahead, and I know that, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel. I might enjoy a beer tonight. I might have some food from the food truck. I might just eat food that I bring. But either way, I'm going to bring backup food with me so that I have something so that I'm not going hungry. And I will show you what I end up eating. Back from going out with my family, and plans got changed as they usually do. We got to the brewery that we were planning on going to, and they were closed for a private event. So we had to make another plan. We decided to go out to a Mexican restaurant. And at the Mexican restaurant, I had a couple chips to snack on at the beginning, and then I split like a big burrito with my husband. It was a veggie burrito. It probably had some oil in there, obviously, but it was like rice, beans, sauteed veggies. Got it without like the cheese and the sour cream they want to put on it. So that was pretty good, but I definitely could have eaten more food, so I'm a little hungry. I have a Hawaiian sweet potato that I had packed for the brewery, but obviously didn't get to eat, so I'm going to eat this potato just to fill my belly, and then I'm going to call it a night. So that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel so you never miss another video. And I will see you in the next one.